Ano ba ang harana? What is harana? Learn Tagalog, Filipino.com podcast. So, pag-uusapan natin dito kung ano ang harana. We will talk about harana. What is it? We'd like to thank all our members on Patreon. And if you're interested to practice your Tagalog speaking skills, we can help you out. We have a tier where you could practice speaking in Filipino. And if you're a beginner, you could start. I can teach you how to speak conversational Filipino. All the lessons are on learntagalogfilipino.com. Now, we'll talk about harana. I will be playing some songs, pre-songs, snippets of the songs. Ito yung mga ginagamit na pangharana. These are the songs that they use for harana. And I will also read a letter about harana. And I will put that on Patreon. The letter. So ano nga ba? Ano nga ba ang harana? What is harana? Ang harana ay isang lumang tradisyon sa Pilipinas kung saan ang isang binata ay umaawit, kumakanta ng awit ng pag-ibig sa labas ng bahay. Nung unang panahon, usually nasa kubo yung mga tao, tapos tinitingala yung dalaga. Isang paraan to ng panliligaw ng mga binata. May dalang gitara, tapos kakatahin yung classic na harana. Harana is an old tradition in the Philippines where a young man sings love songs outside the house of a young woman as a way of courting her. Ayun, panliligaw nga, di ba? Tumatapat siya sa sa bahay ng kanyang liniligawan. Mga katangian ng harana. Characteristics of harana. Ginagawa sa gabi. Kadalasan ay sa ilalim ng bintana ng dalaga. Yun, katulad nung sinabi ko sa labas. Kasi sa kubo, mataas yung kubo, di ba? So, tinitingala nila yung babae o yung dalaga. It is done at night, usually under the window of the young woman. So, yun. Nandun sila. May dalang gitara, kumakanta. They have a guitar and they play and sing. Ayun ang harana. May kasamang gitara, katulad ng nasabi ko kanina. At minsan ay may kaibigan pa silang backup singers. May mga chuwariwap, may mga kaibigan silang nagba-backup. Kumakanta rin yon ng pahapyaw, di ba? Ng bahagya. Backup singers nila. It is accompanied by a guitar and sometimes by friends as backup singers. Yun. Ang kanta ay karaniwang kundiman. Isang uri ng malambing at makabayang awit ng pag-ibig. Yun yung klase ng kanta. The song is usually a kundiman, a type of gentle and patriotic love song. Yun. Layunin nito ang ipakita ang tunay na damdamin, paggalang at seryosong panliligaw sa dalaga. Its purpose is to show true feelings, respect, and serious intention in courting. Halimbawa, example, noong panahon ng lolo't lola ko, uso pa ang harana. Inaawitan ng lolo ko ang lola ko ng O Ilaw. Ayan. Minsan, once a week siguro. Sabi dito, tuwing gabi, no? Parang sobra naman yun pag tuwing gabi. Okay, so, O Ilaw. In the old days, my grandfather would sing a song, an harana, a love song to my lola. He will sing to my grandmother, and the title of the song is O Ilaw. Yun. Buksan ang bintana. Open the window because he's singing outside. of the Bahay Kubo. The Bahay Kubo is an ipahat, a traditional, it's a traditional house in the Philippines in the old days. So this is probably in the 50s. There probably are still people doing this in the 60s. The 70s, not so much anymore. So yun ang example ng isang harana. Meron pa dito, pero ito, dahil nga sikat itong kanta na 'to, there's another one here, but because this song is famous, it was sang by a famous American singer, Nat King Cole. So ito, ang title nito ay Dahil Sa'yo. Dahil Sa'yo. Ayun, dahil sa'yo nais kong mabuhay. Because of you, I want to live. Dahil sa'yo, because of you, until I die. Hanggang mamatay, until I die. Or, I'm not sure, the words probably is handang mamatay, ready to die, or something like that. Handang mamatay or hanggang mamatay. Not sure with the lyrics here. Dapat mong tantuhin. You need to understand. Wala nang ibang giliw. There's no other love. Puso ko'y tanungin. Ask my heart. Ikaw at ikaw rin. You and only you. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng lyrics. Those are nice lyrics. And so si Nat King Cole, that was Nat King Cole. Yan yung kumanta. Pero traditionally, mga Filipino kumakanta nito. Pwede kang mag-check sa YouTube. Type mo lang dahil sa'yo, o ilaw, o dungawin mo hirang. Dungawin mo hirang. Yung o ilaw nga pala, sinong kumanta nun? Hindi nakasulat eh. Pero ito, dungawin mo hirang. Dungawin. Ano nga ba ang English yan dungawin? Dungawin. Look up or look down. Look up or look down. Dungawin. Pwede rin tong take a look or take a peek. Take a look, my love. Parang ganyan eh. Not really sure about the translation because this word is a bit old. This is old Filipino, old Tagalog. My love, listen. Song that is sad. Awit na mapanglaw, a sad song. Listen to my sad song. Giliw ko'y pakinggan, awit na mapanglaw. Na nagbuhat sa isang pusong nagmamahal. That came from a heart that loves. Huwag mong ipagkait. Ipagkait in English. Do not deny. Please do not deny. Yan, ipagkait. Please do not deny. Huwag mong ipagkait. Please do not deny your pity. Awa mo'y ilawit. So that's part of the song Dungawin Mo Hirang. Now, we have the love letters here. And if you would like to listen to the love letters, I urge you to go to Patreon. You can listen to it for free, of course. Just become a member, free member, and you'll be able to listen to the love letters on Patreon. It's about Harana as well. Now, let's go to the vocabulary. Dako tayo sa bokabularyo. Ito yung bokabularyo. The vocabulary. Isinilang. Isinilang. Was born. Dalaga. Dalaga. Single woman. Unmarried woman. Pinsan. Pinsan. Cousin. Kapwa. Kapwa. Fellow. Or fellow man. Binata. Binata. Young man. Young man. Binata. Bachelor. Binata. Kabataan. Kabataan. Young people. Youth. Kabataan. Barrio. Next word is barrio. Barrio. Village. Lalawigan. Our next word is lalawigan. Province. Next word is Manileño. Manileño. Someone from Manila. Kaugalian. Kaugalian. Custom. Tradition. Ninuno. Ninuno. Ancestors. Next word. Harana. Harana. Serenade. Yun, serenade. Harana. Kundiman. Kundiman. Traditional Filipino love song. Kundiman. Next word is kultura. Kultura. Culture. Next word is makaluma. Makaluma. Old-fashioned. Makaluma. Nanghaharana is our next word. Nanghaharana. Serenading. Nanghaharana. Nagbakasyon. Nagbakasyon. Went on a vacation. Nagbakasyon. Ipinakilala. Ipinakilala. Introduced. Umawit. Umawit. Sang. Umawit. Natawa. Natawa. Laughed. Natawa. Makinig. Makinig. To listen. Panahon. Our next word is panahon. Time. Era. Panahon. Nagbabago. Nagbabago. Changing. Maglalaho. Maglalaho. Will disappear. Takdang panahon. Takdang panahon. Appointed time. Appointed time or eventually. Ugali. Next word is ugali. Behavior. Attitude. Ugali. Next word is pananampalataya. Pananampalataya. Faith. Pananampalataya. Faith. Next word is mabuting ugali. Mabuting ugali. Good manners. Mabuting ugali. Makontento. Makontento. To be content. Makontento. To be content. Lumang pelikula. Lumang pelikula. Old movie. Lumang pelikula. Lumang kanta. Lumang kanta. Old song. Old song. Okay, so there is a letter that I'm going to be reading. Actually, 2 letters about Harana. If you're interested to listen to that letter, it's actually an interesting letter about Harana. Because as you know, Harana is about serenading and like singing a song to a lady. So if you're interested to become a member, you could find it on Patreon. So again, thank you to our members on Patreon. And if you're interested to practice your Filipino, if you're interested to practice your Tagalog speaking skills, go to learntagalogfilipino.com or patreon.com/learntagalogfilipino. At sa mga nag-aaral ng Tagalog, nag-aaral ng Filipino, huwag kang susuko. Kaya mo yan.